Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Dishwashers 2025. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for 2025, the best dishwashers that combine efficiency, style, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or looking for the perfect balance of performance and convenience, we've got you covered.
Top 1.
24-inch top control tall tub dishwasher and custom panel ready with stainless steel tub and third rack, DWV24. The 24-inch top control tall tub dishwasher and custom panel ready design offers a modern solution for busy kitchens. Its spacious interior accommodates a variety of dishes, including large pots and pans, ensuring efficient cleaning every time. The stainless steel tub promotes durability and maintains a hygienic environment by resisting stains and odors. A thoughtfully designed third rack provides extra space for utensils and smaller items, making organization simple and convenient. This dishwasher operates quietly while delivering thorough washing performance, making it ideal for open-concept homes. Its advanced technology adopts water and energy usage based on the load, reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly operation. The top control panel allows for easy selection of cycles, giving precise control over cleaning intensity and duration. Designed for flexibility, the custom panel ready feature allows it to blend seamlessly with kitchen cabinetry, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. Even with a busy schedule, users can rely on consistent results without frequent maintenance. The tall tub design increases capacity, ensuring larger loads are cleaned efficiently without compromising performance.
Top 2.
Commercial door type dishwasher with 2 dish rack, commercial glass washer, 80 racks per hour, touch panel. The commercial door type dishwasher is designed for busy kitchens and high demand environments. It handles multiple dishes efficiently, making cleaning operations faster and more organized. With a capacity of 80 racks per hour, this machine can process large volumes without slowing down daily activities. The device includes a convenient touch panel, allowing easy control over washing cycles and settings. Its layout supports 2 dish racks simultaneously, optimizing space and reducing downtime between loads. Ideal for hotels, restaurants, and catering services, the dishwasher maintains consistent hygiene standards, ensuring every plate, glass, and utensil comes out spotless. The commercial glass washer function focuses on delicate glassware, preventing scratches and ensuring clarity after every cycle. Its durable design supports heavy usage while maintaining energy efficiency, reducing operational costs in busy kitchens. This appliance is engineered to meet professional requirements, with robust materials that resist wear and tear from constant use. The dual rack setup allows staff to load dishes quickly, saving time during peak hours. Settings on the touch panel provide precise control over water temperature, cycle duration, and rinse intensity, enhancing overall performance.
Top 3.
Eurodib DSP3 Lamber high temperature rock under counter commercial glass washer. The Eurodib DSP3 Lamber high-temperature rack under-counter commercial glass washer delivers efficient cleaning for busy kitchens and bars. Designed for heavy-duty use, this washer can handle a continuous flow of glassware, keeping operations smooth during peak hours. Its compact under-counter design fits easily beneath counters, saving valuable space while maintaining professional performance. Users benefit from rapid cycle times, allowing more items to be cleaned in less time. The high-temperature system ensures thorough sanitization, making it ideal for establishments that prioritize hygiene. Durability is a key advantage, with construction materials built to withstand frequent use without compromising quality. The rack system accommodates various glass sizes, offering versatility for different types of drinkware. Its energy-efficient operation reduces water and power consumption, helping to lower utility costs. Many restaurants, cafes, and bars rely on this commercial washer to maintain clean glassware consistently, avoiding downtime caused by manual washing. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to easily accessible components and a design focused on practicality. Even in high-volume settings, operators can quickly perform routine checks or cleaning without specialized tools. The machine's performance stability ensures consistent results, producing sparkling, streak-free glassware every time.
Top 4.
Z-Line Autograph Edition 18 Compact Third Rack Top Control Dishwasher in white matte with matte black handle. The Z-Line Autograph Edition 18 Compact Dishwasher offers a modern approach to keeping kitchens clean without taking up too much space. Designed with a top control panel, this model allows easy access to settings while maintaining a sleek, minimalistic appearance. Its white matte finish combined with a matte black handle adds a sophisticated look that blends well with various kitchen styles. Engineered for efficiency, this dishwasher fits perfectly in smaller kitchens or apartments, where space is limited. The compact dishwasher design does not compromise on capacity, allowing multiple dishes, utensils, and glasses to be cleaned simultaneously. This makes it a practical solution for households that need performance without sacrificing space. The intuitive controls and smooth operation ensure that every washing cycle is simple to manage, even for those new to modern kitchen appliances. The energy-efficient dishwasher reduces water and electricity consumption, making it an environmentally friendly choice while keeping utility bills low. Users can enjoy consistent cleaning results thanks to the carefully engineered design and thoughtful layout.
Top 5.
A commercial dishwasher is a must-have appliance for any busy restaurant, hotel, or cafeteria. Designed to handle a large volume of dishes quickly, it keeps kitchens running smoothly during peak hours. This fast dishwashing machine reduces the time staff spends on cleaning, allowing more focus on preparing meals and serving customers efficiently. Its high-speed cycles and powerful cleaning ability ensure plates, glasses, and utensils come out spotless every time. Restaurants benefit greatly from such equipment, as it supports a consistent workflow and minimizes downtime between service rounds. Hotels can maintain high hygiene standards in their dining areas without overworking the staff. Cafeterias, especially in schools, offices, or hospitals, see a significant improvement in overall operational efficiency with faster dish turnaround. This type of dishwasher is engineered for durability, handling continuous use without compromising performance. Its compact design fits easily into professional kitchens, saving valuable space while still accommodating a large number of items per cycle. By streamlining the dishwashing process, it helps businesses save water, energy, and labor costs, which contributes to sustainable practices.
latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.